Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Jenny, and today I'm going to be testing out the new Maybelline Superstay 30-hour Lumi Matte Foundation and do a whole application review and a wear test. So make sure you stay tuned to the end for that. Okay, so to get started, we're going to prep our skin. I'm gonna do everything the same that I normally would. So I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Gel Yeah moisturizer, and then primer. I've recently been using this Essence one, Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer, and I really like it. Okay, so I let that sit and absorb into the skin for a minute, and now time to jump in with the foundation. I haven't even opened this yet. Okay, it pops off. I like how liquidy it is. I like a thinner foundation personally. I like to kind of blend it in partway with my fingers. I feel like it kind of helps just melt it into the skin a bit before going in with my beauty blender. This is a little pale for me. They didn't have a ton of options at the store I went to. This is blending really nicely. I really like it so far. I think it looks really nice. It's definitely a tiny bit too light for my personal liking. Like I said, they didn't really have a ton of options at the Walmart I went to, unfortunately, but it looks really nice. I am gonna go in with another layer just to see how buildable it is and just kind of boost that coverage a little bit. So it's okay so far. I feel like it's kind of settling into my pores and things. Not my favorite right now. Like, the coverage is decent. I was able to build it up a little bit more, but it's definitely more of like a light medium coverage to me. I also do really like a fuller coverage foundation though, so if it's not super full coverage, to me it's just like, this is not covering anything. So take that with a grain of salt also. I don't know, I feel like it's like emphasizing the texture of my skin a little bit. Like I said, I did my skin prep and everything the same exact way that I do with any other foundation, so I don't know, it looks okay. I'm gonna do like my contour and everything, and we'll see how we end up. Okay, so makeup is set with powder and everything. I'm liking it more as it goes on. Not loving like my under eyes. I feel like it could look a little bit better. Forehead and everything else is looking pretty good. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I like to set my face before doing mascara. I don't know why. I just feel like it works better. Okay, so that is the makeup done. I'm really liking it the more that I'm looking at it. I didn't love it at first, but once I put everything else on top and did the rest of the makeup, I actually really like it. So we're gonna see how it wears throughout the day, and I will do my final thoughts at the end of the night. It is the end of the night. It has been probably like 10 hours or so since I first applied the makeup, and I think it actually looks really good. It's Valentine's Day today, and we went like mini golfing, we had dinner, and then we got to Cold Stone after dinner, and I kind of got it on my chin a bit, so ignore that little patch a bit, but I think it looks really good. There's like not really any like parts really breaking apart a whole ton besides like the usual spots like around the nose. But yeah, overall, I think it looks really good, and I can't wait to try it out again and maybe like mix it with another foundation that I like, just to kind of tweak the tone a little bit, because it's a little bit too fair in my opinion. I just like mine like a tiniest bit darker, but overall I really like this. It's like a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna be using this a lot. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you've tried this, let me know down below how it worked for you, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, and I'll see you in the next video.